Has your Samsung phone been locked after a factory reset, and now it's asking for a Google account you can't remember? Whether you've forgotten your login credentials or bought a second-hand phone that's stuck at the FRP screen, this situation can feel hopeless. But don't worry, DroidKit is here to help you bypass the FRP lock quickly, safely, and without any tech knowledge. First, a quick breakdown. What is FRP lock? Factory Reset Protection is a built-in Android security feature. It kicks in after you reset your phone to factory settings. When your device restarts, it will ask you to sign in using the Google account that was previously synced. The idea is to prevent thieves from accessing your phone, but this can be a huge headache if you've forgotten your own Google credentials. So how do you regain access without that old account? Let's get straight to the best way to bypass the FRP lock using DroidKit. Why DroidKit? DroidKit is much more than just an FRP tool. It's an all-in-one Android recovery and repair toolkit. But what makes it perfect for FRP bypass? Bypass FRP in minutes, no long wait times, or complicated steps. In just a few clicks, you're back inside your phone. Easy to use, you don't need to be a technician. DroidKit is made for everyone. Supports Android 6 to 13, works with the latest Samsung devices like S23, S22, S21, A51, and many more. Supports other brands too, not just Samsung. It also helps bypass FRP on Xiaomi, Redmi, Oppo, Motorola, OnePlus, and more. Safe and secure, advanced encryption ensures your privacy and device are protected. No malware, no shady code. Now let's walk through exactly how to use DroidKit to bypass the FRP lock. Step 1. Download and install DroidKit. Click the link in the description or pinned comment to download DroidKit on your computer. Install the software and launch it. Step 2. Select FRP bypass. Open DroidKit on your PC or Mac. From the main interface, click on FRP bypass. Step 3. Connect your device. Connect your Samsung phone to your computer using a USB cable. Click Start, then select Samsung as your device brand. Step 4. Prepare the configuration file. DroidKit will now prepare a configuration file specifically for your phone model. This may take a few minutes. Do not disconnect your phone during this step. Step 5. Start the bypass process once ready. Click Start to bypass, then choose your Android system version from the list and hit Next. Step 6. Follow the on-screen instructions. Carefully follow the steps shown on the screen. DroidKit will guide you through a few quick settings on your phone. Step 7. FRP lock removed. Once all steps are complete, the FRP lock will be removed. You'll regain full access to your Samsung device. No Google account required. It's really that simple. No tech knowledge required. What makes DroidKit stand out is its intelligent detection and compatibility system. It tailors the bypass method based on your device's exact Android version, increasing the success rate dramatically. Whether you're locked out of a brand new Galaxy S23 or using an older Galaxy S series phone, DroidKit has a solution for you. And because the tool is designed with non-tech users in mind, you won't need to flash firmware, run ADB commands, or deal with complex manual tricks. Everything is automated and safe. So if you've been struggling with FRP lock and want a fast, safe, and effective solution, DroidKit is your answer. Download DroidKit today using the link in the description and unlock your phone in just minutes, safely and easily. Still have questions? Drop them in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss another smart tech solution.